Dad, open the door!
If I had love.
I thought you were talking about the barbecue.
Real master.
Be careful with me. Yeah, tell me, this love's got you this messed up in the head. You want some random up in your bed? Okay, hey guys, so we just arrived to the baseball game. Oh my god, how do I get out? Help! Help! Right now we're at the
we're
baseball
down the
game.
hill, right?
We don't know where the field is at, but did you hear me freestyling right there?
That was
I
dope.
was
Anytime
saying,
soon, or
you
what?
were straight Cardi B. I was Cardi B for a second right there. Guys, look at this. It was thundering and lightning. Can we have a ride? Can we have a ride? Oh, we can't fit. It's all like that high. And we're gonna go down here. Everybody put your hands up. I know. Where are they? I want to buy a chair too. You're already inside. Wave at the monster. Hi, monster. Hi, monster. Beep, beep. He has a big butt. Oh. And he cannot lie. Beware. Let's go, boys!
The baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark. Let's go hunt, do 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 do, let's go hunt. Wait, do 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 do, safe and lost, do 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 do, safe and lost, do 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 do, safe and lost, do 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 do, safe and lost.
Hey guys, right now we're here at Dairy Queen. Yay! High five! Okay.
No.
They keep on playing Cardi B, Be Careful With Me, instrumental though. It's so weird, I don't know why. And every time I just sing it. Why do they do that? Who knows? It's because there's a mosquito. There's a mosquito.
Kill it.
How? Dad!
My hands are clean.
Oh my god, I'm still recording. Hey guys, it's Vanessa. We're in the basement right now.
She's scared to go down in the basement. Let's go down in the basement. Come on. Let's go. Do not close the door.
I won't.
Who unlocked it?
It's not locked. It's just that little latch thing.
Oh, we'll go down there. We'll go down there and see what happens.
No. Let me just look around.
Well, get down there, you big chicken.
Oh heck no, bro! I just heard something move. I'm gone.
Every time I feel a bug on me, I get PSD and I feel that like sting and I'm please.
You get what?
For her next.
What is it? Is it PSD? Is that what that's called?
Wait, what?
PSD.
What's PSD?
Like when you get like a flashback or something.
He's talking about my door.
My bill so I can pay this.
You mean PTSD?
PTSD. Yeah.
Oh my god. Where did we come in from?
You're supposed to know.
How? What? How?
Is it that or where is it?
That's what I'm saying. I'm pretty sure it was over there. It was the brick building that we passed by when we first came in.
I don't think this is the way.
So I knew that it was over here.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure.
You guys experienced that? My mom telling me that I was going the wrong way. Can you not push me?
National Baseball Hall of Fame and Museum.
Anybody know who those people are? Oh. Because they left me alone. I was literally by myself.
She started texting me in all caps.
Stop.
You're so
Hey guys, what's up? It's Vanessa here. Oh, I look like a hot mess. My hair is so frizzy. Oh my god, I keep on telling you. Look at this this mean? Is this bad or like all player? You did not avoid an owner. You sided with owners and cannot reach a compromise. Darn. That's tough. To get out of here so I don't seem mean. Get out of here. So this is Mexico. This is El Salvador right here. I was right. You were wrong. Who said I was wrong? I didn't say nothing. But big leagues too. Wait, we're about to eat.
Is it? What the fuck is going on, guys? I'm gonna die.
Guys, we're gonna die. Stop. Cover. So, this is my OOTD of the day. Yeah, I am. Oh, God. I fell in that.
Spell BMW. B-E-W.
You guys went to that Silas Joe?
Shoeless. Yeah.
Well, not into Shoeless Joe. We went into the store next to it.
Oh, they got shoes there, really?
No.
It's shoeless.
Yeah. No.
No shoes.